Hi, it's Elizabeth McAlpin from Ring Sun in the sunny San Diego. I just wanted to take a quick minute to thank Synergy Design Group for their partnership. We've been partners for about 3 months now. This is a separate time using our fabulous booth that they helped us design and create. As the leading events here at Ring, we go to like 60 shows a year, and I needed help. I have a 2-woman team. So we partnered with Synergy. They'll help me with all of our logistics, branding, booth creation, and it's been a great experience so far. And looking forward to a great long-term partnership.